Today I want to talk about the new PSB M4U 8 Mark II. Before I start, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Put your comments down below for a discussion, and don't forget to click the notification button so the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So let's see what's inside here. Just to give a little bit of background, I've been using PSB headphones as my reference headphones for quite a while. When they first released the M4U series, perhaps I think about 7-8 years ago, I purchased the first generation of it, and it was astonishingly amazing for that time. The headphone can even work without battery. So if I want to use it passively during my travel and I don't have any battery juice left and I cannot buy any battery, I can use the headphones just like that. I hope there are more improvements here. Okay, the case is basically the same as before. You got the quick start guide here, and it says accessories to open here. So you get the 3.5 to 1/4 inch stereo jack adapter. You got the airplane jack here. And then see here, oh, you got the connection for the passive headphone usage. One with L connector, one with straight. And the USB-C charging cable. Look at the case here. The case is hard case, but with a soft feel. So you will be hard pressed to press the earphones. So what else we have here in the accessory side? Okay, I guess I have to deal with this later. Oh no, it's a Velcro. There you go. Okay, I don't like that. I prefer zipper. But, well, Velcro is better than a kick in the head, I guess. And the headphone is still looking identical to their previous model with actual metal hinge. It's not plastic. And you feel the satisfying click here. You have physical button for the automatic noise cancelling, volume up and down, actual switch, and for track back and forward and play just by pressing this button. So yeah, this is really good to begin with. As a start, that I hate touch functionality, but these are all tactile, so you know exactly when you've pressed something or you haven't pressed something. It's always there, and it's easy to feel where all the controls are, even in the dark. I just pull out the battery from the compartment there. Oh, here's the jack for the audio in if you don't use Bluetooth. The beauty is that when you open this lid over here, you will see regular AAA battery. So you can use rechargeable AAA battery, or if you don't have electricity to charge these batteries, you can just buy a AAA battery from anywhere, and it's very easy to find AAA battery in your travel anywhere in the world, even when you don't have power supply to charge the battery. Has a nice solid feel as well. And yeah, it feels nice on my head. Even the cup, without anything being turned on, it encloses my hearing quite well. So let's start setting up this headphone together. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. So first thing, you turn on the headphone. You see the ANC button, off, on. So switch it to the middle, on. The lights are blinking. And you turn on the PSB headphone app. Add new headphone. Do you want to add new headphone? And you click yes. And it's looking for the new headphone here. It shows that it found PSB M4U 8 Mark II, and then click connect. It's trying to connect here. And there you go. Once you have everything connected, you add the Audiodo, the Audiodo personal sound, and you start the calibration. You can just skip it if you don't want this calibration, but that's the whole point of having this version of the headphone, is to have the Audiodo personal sound system. So you start calibration here while you're wearing the headphones around your head, obviously, and it's telling you what Audiodo is doing. Just skip this and you can start calibration. You see here, and the whole thing is going to take approximately between 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, if you can hear the tone from the left, you click yes. Do you hear a tone at all? Yes. And then it keeps checking whether you hear the tone all across the frequency range. And by doing so it's going to re-EQ the headphones to your hearing profile. And it's testing it on the left ear, and when done, it's testing it on the right ear. It will do the calculation, and once it's done doing the calculation, it will send the information back to your headphones over here. So what you're hearing is exactly matched to your hearing profile, your frequency response of your ear. So after spending countless hours testing this headphone, I'm glad that all the goodness of the original M4U series headphone remains to be here, and I can customize my hearing profile to the headphone. Forget about all the headphones I have in my collection right now. This is my new favorite headphones. So that's my take on the M4U 8 Mark II. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also put your comments down below so we can start a discussion. Also, click the notification button so that next time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.